What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV coming to you from Lauterbrunnen. It's April. We just got off the train. That's the train towards Wengen. We're gonna go towards the waterfall. April 7th. It's about 45 degrees maybe less. You see there's snow on the mountaintops. This ticket, I originated in Bern. I went to Thun, and then I went to Spisch. From Spisch, I caught a connecting train to Lauterbrunnen through Interlaken. All total, around 60 to 70 francs with 3 stops from Bern. Done all that in one day. I'm going to actually be staying in Thun for my luggages. I mean, technically I could stay anywhere and just leave my luggage there, because this place is pretty spectacular, but we shall see. I'm tempted to just go from Lauterbrunnen to Grindelwald. That'll literally cost me 11 francs. Not too bad. It's way cheaper outside of the cities in Switzerland. We are at high altitude. So shortness of breath is a thing. Wow. These waterfalls just kind of trickling off the cliff face everywhere, including right there. Let me just show you. That is the train that goes to Wengen, all the way up there. They also have Jungfrau. Hotel Schützen, grill room and bar. Oh, there goes the train now. Or a tram, if you want to call it that. This is one of the most spectacular places I've been. Not too many people on the streets today. Very peaceful. There's Hotel Jungfrau. Like I said, the big peak everyone likes to go up to. I don't know if today's a good day to go up there though. Figured you guys would understand that, considering the elements and the circumstances. You can do some camping here. Jungfrau. I think people who do expeditions up there. It was a heck of a cliff. What time of year do you guys like Lauterbrunnen? I get it. Anytime's a good time to visit. My goodness. Beautiful, huh? You can hike up there. Let me see. Done it before. Got this view from here. There's also another town up here called Marin. No one on that bus. The most beautiful places in the world and no one's out here. Kind of get the place to yourself. Spring, April. They do have a hostel out here, so that's good. I'm just trying to cruise back in here, see what else is out here. There's the stream from the waterfall. Look at that house. It's got like a moss or grass on the roof. This is where the camping goes down at. Camping Jungfrau. Looks like they got a lot of motorhomes in there. I think this is the road to Wengen. No, not Wengen, Marin. What other road would there be, right? Amazing. All right, let's take a little bit of a stroll down here towards the river. Okay. Great views all around. Look at this. See that big waterfall there, right? Wow. Spectacular, huh? Here's a look at the convenience store. What are these? Oh. Let's see, what do I like? There's gotta be something in here that's gonna be perfect. Custom. I haven't had a Red Bull in a while. Hotels in Lauterbrunnen. Maybe this will help some of you. Look those up. Well, if you wanted to go to the top of Europe, there it is. Jungfrau Gott, top of Europe. Right here from Lauterbrunnen. And you can see right there, that's the cable car that takes you to Murren. Right there. Right. All right, Lauterbrunnen to Maren. It's the cable car. I'll show you the station right quick. There you go. You know, I got this little chocolate here. It's really good. It's delicious. All right, guys, that's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV from Lauterbrunnen. Hopefully this helps some of you guys get an idea of what to expect when you arrive. See you on the next one.